Hey guys, it's Katie Lendel here. Welcome to my channel. What I wanted to share with you guys in this video is how to increase conversions. If you are doing affiliate marketing, if you're promoting your own products or offers or opportunities, whatever you're promoting out there, it doesn't really matter. What matters is, obviously high conversions. So I have a few tips for you guys today on how you can actually increase these conversions. So as you can see here, I've pulled up my results from yesterday. I wanted to share with you guys exactly what I did yesterday that has resulted with this kind of EPC, earnings per click, which is 42.9. I've never seen such a high earnings per click before. So I wanted to go ahead and sit down and do this quick video and share with you guys what exactly I was actually doing and how I believe this happened, how I was able to increase my conversions, that it actually converted at 42.9 earnings, dollars per click. So let's get right into it. First of all, I have been promoting a product. For the last 3 weeks, I was promoting a product, and yesterday was the last day that people could actually get access to this product for a cheaper price. So the price went up today, but yesterday they still could get this product for a cheaper price. So it was a deadline, and usually when people don't see like a deadline, or when if a price goes up or something like that, or a cart closes, usually people tend not to take action at all. They might think, yes, they need this product. Yes, it's gonna help them in their business, but they need like a push. They need some kind of push in order for them to make that buying decision. First of all, they need to see that product or offer a few times, but second of all, they need a push in order to make that buying decision. So yesterday was the deadline, the closing day for for a cheaper price of that specific product. So this was one of the big things that has actually increased the conversions because of that deadline. Another thing was that I've started sharing my bonuses. I did create a bonus page, and I've started sharing my bonuses with people and what I'm gonna give them for free if they do decide to take action and if they do decide to purchase it. So having your own bonuses is absolutely crucial when you're running a promotion, because when people see something extra that you give to them in addition to the product that they're getting, people want to take action. It makes them want to take action because they're going to be getting all these things plus the product itself that they believe will absolutely transform their business and help their business grow. So there has to be either like a price increase or a cart close, and some kind of thing that will actually push them to take action. The second thing, you need to have bonuses that you're going to provide to people when they go through your link, when they purchase through you. Your bonuses are added on, as I said, to the value that they're already getting. So they want to take action. They want to, go through your link and purchase it because they know they're going to be getting a lot more value than just the tool itself. So these are the two main things that I wanted to share with you guys today. I don't want to make this video too long today. So I wanted to say, yes, the deadline works and the bonuses work. And both of those things, they actually help you create a higher conversion, as well as obviously the timer on the page. Also the timer in your email. I was sending emails out with a timer that was actually ticking. The time is getting close to the deadline. So when they see that timer in their email and on that page, when they click, on the link and they go to the page, the timer is the same there. So when they see all that, it creates that urgency that makes them want to buy it, because it gives them that push to buy it. And I know a lot of, autoresponders and email marketing platforms and things like that. They don't allow you to put in timers inside of the emails. That's one reason why I actually love Kartra so much, is because you can create so many different types of emails. There's different types of templates for emails that we have, a bunch of different kinds of timers that we can choose from, and just set up, a time when we want that timer to actually end. And basically, Kartra has definitely been created for those who want to increase their conversions. So if you haven't heard about Kartra yet, check out the links below, as well as you're gonna see the cards where you can actually learn more about Kartra in my other videos. Kartra has definitely transformed my business. If you want to check it out, click the link below this video to check it out. And as I said, I do have bonuses for you guys if you do decide to purchase Kartra through the link below this video. And if you have any questions whatsoever, go ahead and comment below this video, and I will do my best to answer those questions for you guys. All right, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Blessings. Bye bye.